Hi, my name is Stephen Coleman. This is probably my 12th or 13th or maybe even 14th ride for Norwood. Started in 1993 and I love every single ride that I've ever done. They're marvellous, and the attention you get from Norwood and the care just really does make a big difference to us, and of course to the people who actually are benefiting from Norwood as well. We can see exactly how they're benefiting because of the way they look after the riders. So it's a great ride and it's a great charity, and I think everybody should sponsor the charity and come along to the bike ride. It's really, really marvellous.